Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to enable internet speed meter in any Android phone. First of all, we have to install a speed meter app on our Android phone. So go to your Play Store and search for Internet Speed Meter Lite and install this app on your phone. Once the app installed, launch the app and just tap on Grant Permission. Tap on Allow. Once done, as you can see, my currently internet speed showing at the top left corner of my screen. So I'm going to opening my YouTube app, and as you can see, my current speed. Also, you can open your notification panel, and here you will see your internet speed meter. So this is how we can actually add our internet speed meter in any Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.